Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I purchased a new bag and I'm super excited about this one. This was a pre-order from the Louis Vuitton and Nigo collection. So there was two waves with that. There was the first wave and then there was another wave back in August. I didn't really like the collection. Honestly, I didn't like the collection when it first came out, so I didn't really order anything from the first wave. And then after a while, per usual, it always grows on me, so I ended up putting an order in for the second wave. And my bag finally came in yesterday, so I went to go pick it up. And this is the, let's open it up. So here's the box that it came in, the inside. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's the Amazon Sling, I believe that's how you pronounce it. So this is from the special capsule collection. As you can tell in the font, it's a little bit different. You can see the squared sign. So this one actually has the full ice cream drip from the top to the bottom. This is actually Damier Ebene, okay? So this is one of the variations of it. It's made for this collection. In my opinion, it's like a giant Damier Ebene. There's also leather, like you see here. This is Vachetta, but my client advisor told me, so this is Vachetta. So my client advisor told me that it's a little bit darker because they put them through a certain process. I forget what it's called, but she told me. So usually Vachetta, as you can see on like the Neverfulls, all like mainly the women's bag, it comes in a really light color, and obviously it changes color over time, and it kind of like turns into a honey, or kind of like this color, but it's already been treated, so they purposely darkened it a little. And yes, it could still change color and it could still get dirty. I like how there's another bag that was really similar in style, but it's the Nano Messenger bag, I believe that's what they called it, from this collection. I didn't really like that one. I think that was a little too small, but what I didn't like about that bag is that they didn't have the full ice cream drip. This one has the full ice cream drip, so it starts from here and then it goes down to this bag, as you can tell right here. Let's check out the first pouch. This is so this is the first pouch. So as you can tell, I have the iPhone XS Max, so it doesn't really fit in there. Nope, it won't fit in the smaller pocket. It can fit a pocket. It will fit pocket organizer, your cards, your wallet, a mini wallet. Okay, let's look at the bigger. The phone will definitely fit in the bigger pocket. Okay, so this is the inside. So there's a linen lining inside, and here's Louis Vuitton tag, made in France. So the cool thing about this bag is that it's pretty versatile depending on how you want to wear it. Now let me close up the things. So on the back here, right, so the main strap is attached to the top of the bag, as you can tell right here, but then there's two hooks here and it's adjustable, so you can wear it from here to here or switch it around. So it really depends if you want to wear it on the right side of your chest or the left side of your chest. It also comes with this really cool Monogram shoulder pad. And it has several holes for you if you need to adjust it. Like I said, if you have an iPad mini, it will definitely fit in the bigger compartment. You can put a passport in here. So it's definitely good. It's a good size bag. I think the other one was a little bit small. And this one retailed about $2,140 in the US. After tax, I paid, oh jeez. After tax, it was $2,273.80. So compared to the Nano Messenger, I think I would go with this one instead. I really wanted the keep ball in this collection, but I couldn't get it, so it's okay. I'm running out of space, so I don't need the keep ball anyways. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna keep uploading videos, so keep posted. Okay, thank you guys for everyone that's been watching, commenting, liking, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna bring you guys more content, so keep posted. Bye.